Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today we're taking around this approved used Audi A4 Avant Black Edition 35 TFSI S Tronic. This particular model is finished in the stunning Navara blue metallic paintwork and looks super sporty and stylish from every angle. Being the black edition, you get multiple elements of gloss black styling, including the front and rear badges and roof rails and window surrounds. Under the bonnet is a 2-litre turbocharged petrol engine producing 147 brake horsepower and 270 Nm of torque. On the front of these fabulous matrix LED headlights, giving you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners, these 19-inch 5-arm flag design Audi Sport alloy wheels finished in anthracite black with a diamond cut finish, offering a lovely contrast to that blue metallic paintwork and tying in really nicely with the gloss black styling package. The electrically operated tailgate can be opened using the key fob or the button on the boot lid itself. This reveals maximum storage space for your everyday essentials, weekend away luggage or weekly family shop. With the rear seats folded down, you get extra storage space for those larger, bulkier items. The interior is finished in part leather, part Alcantara for maximum luxury and sportiness, with the centre armrest that pulls down from the rear backrest and the tri-zone climate control so rear passengers can set their own temperature. Both outer seats are fitted with Isofix points so you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. In the front we have the flat-bottom S-Line multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit, central touchscreen display and dual-zone climate control. Both front seats are sport seats with the S badge embossed in at the top, and they are manually adjustable with 4-way electric lumbar support, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier. The virtual cockpit is configurable to your wants and needs using the left side of the multifunction controls. On the right is your volume and voice controls for mid-journey phone calls and radio station changes, and underneath to the left your cruise control and speed limiter for those longer motorway journeys. From the central touchscreen display you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations or simply navigation. Under the climate control is the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle, and this vehicle also comes with the rear view camera system with front and rear sensors, making parking all the easier, and the Park Assist, which lets the car park itself for you. You just have to follow the prompts on screen. With a dual zone climate control, both driver and passenger be at different temperatures or synchronised if you're in the car on your own, and both front seats have 3 levels of heat to them, which is perfect for those colder winter mornings. Thank you for taking the time to watch this short video on the approved used Audi A4 Black Edition 35 TFSI S Tronic, available at Stafford Audi. If you have any questions or queries, do not hesitate to contact our sales team or simply come on down to the showroom and take a look for yourself.